Welcome to day 9 of the 10-day springtime juice cleanse, and things are going well. Another very busy day. Let me give you a little synopsis. Today, I got up early. I needed some mulch. I got some nice cypress mulch. I got 50 bags of mulch. I picked up I left the house about 20 minutes to 7. I picked that up at the mulch place at 7 a.m., 50 bags, brought it back to the house, unloaded where I'm going to need it in the yard, because summer is coming, and when it starts to rain here in Florida, the weeds have a field day. So my wife and I have been pulling weeds. Now we're putting down mulch to keep those weeds at bay during the summer. And what else? After that, I did a workout. It was about 35-40 minutes. Nice. It was good. It's mainly body weight stuff I do. Someday I'll give you a video of that. A lot of body weight stuff. Yeah, I really enjoy my workouts, I do. And sometimes, I make them, if I do at least a half an hour, 30 minutes, I feel good. And, I'm ready to come back the next day. Don't make your workouts so difficult that you're not looking forward to going and doing it again. So I did a workout. Then I made a tennis video. Many of you know I teach tennis for a living. I've been doing that for like 45 years. And if any of you are interested in tennis or learning tennis, go to Tom Avery Tennis on YouTube, and you'll find my channel. And there's some videos there you can learn how to play. It's a great game. Keeps you young. It's the sport of a lifetime. So please check that out. And then I had the opportunity, I had the privilege of helping my sister-in-law and her husband. They've been so good to us over the years. And, what I did was they got a little place here in Naples, and they're remodeling it. So I was able to paint a couple of rooms, and it's nice to be able to help someone. You know why? Because it goes back to the principle that Jesus stated. There's more happiness in giving than there is in receiving. And that's so true. You feel good when you do things for others. So never forget that, and get out there and do something for somebody. And don't be looking for anything in return. You don't want to be looking for something in return, because that would spoil it. And remember, the greatest person in the universe will bless you because he sees what you're doing. So do it out of the goodness of your heart. So that's it. Today was another good one. Lots of orange juice, lots of watermelon, bananas. I'm going to have my green smoothie in a little while. Please post any questions or comments. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me a like. Give me a thumbs up. And hit that notification bell so you are notified anytime I put up another video. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. Tomorrow's the last day, 10th day. I may stay on it. I don't know yet. I'm kind of looking forward to eating a nice salad. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you all posted anyway. To your health, success. Take care.